Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A stunning modern circular house with a sleek, futuristic design set against a tranquil twilight sky. The architecture features extensive use of glass walls that curve gracefully around the structure, offering panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Warm interior lighting glows through the transparent facade, creating a cozy contrast with the cool evening tones outside. The house has two levels, the upper floor enclosed by curved glass panels and a circular ceiling opening, while the lower level seamlessly connects to an open terrace. The terrace includes a small, circular pool reflecting the soft light of the house and the fading sunset. Comfortable outdoor seating and a minimalist design emphasize relaxation and harmony with nature. Inside, the decor combines with textures and modern furnishings, featuring a stylish open kitchen, dining area, and lounge space. The overall atmosphere exudes luxury, innovation, and tranquility, making it an architectural masterpiece that blends modern aesthetics with natural serenity. A luxurious, modern two-story circular house set amidst lush greenery. The architecture features sleek, curved lines and extensive floor-to-ceiling glass walls that create a seamless connection between the indoor and outdoor spaces. Warm ambient lighting from the interior glows through the transparent facade, enhancing the home's inviting atmosphere as evening sets in. The upper level includes spacious balconies with elegant outdoor furniture and potted plants, offering panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Two striking rooftop fire features add a dramatic and sophisticated touch, casting a warm light against the twilight sky. On the ground floor, a wooden deck extends into the garden with a cozy lounge area and soft lighting, perfect for outdoor relaxation. The surrounding garden is meticulously landscaped, with trimmed grass, small trees, and flowering shrubs complementing the home's contemporary aesthetic. A sleek modern circular house with a minimalist architectural design. The exterior features smooth black metal panels and expansive floor-to-ceiling glass windows that allow natural light to flood the interior. Warm indoor lighting glows through the glass, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere as evening approaches. The house sits slightly elevated on a dark wooden deck that wraps around its curved structure, blending harmoniously with the surrounding landscape. The garden is beautifully designed with neatly cut grass, stepping stones, and a variety of small plants and trees that enhance the natural feel of the space. In the foreground, a contemporary fire pit adds warmth and ambience, accompanied by modern outdoor furniture perfect for relaxation or social gatherings. Large trees and a partially visible hammock on the right complete the tranquil setting. Overall, the scene exudes a sense of modern comfort and harmony between architecture and nature, with the home standing as a refined example of sustainable, elegant living. A stunning modern circular house surrounded by lush greenery. The design blends contemporary architecture with nature, featuring a sleek black exterior and large floor-to-ceiling glass panels that invite natural light into the interior. A highlight of the structure is the vertical garden that wraps around one side of the building, filled with a rich variety of plants and foliage. The rooftop is also adorned with cascading green vines, enhancing the eco-friendly and organic atmosphere of the home. The entry area features a smooth, round concrete platform that gently transitions into a landscaped garden with stone pathways and soft lighting. Warm interior lights glow through the glass walls, revealing a cozy, nature-inspired living space inside. Surrounded by tall trees and abundant plant life, the entire scene exudes tranquility and modern sophistication, a perfect harmony between sustainable design and serene outdoor living. A cozy, modern circular cabin nestled in a snowy forest. The two-story structure features large glass doors and windows that emit a warm golden glow, contrasting beautifully with the cool blue tones of the winter landscape. Twinkling string lights wrap around the upper balcony and nearby trees, adding a festive and inviting touch. Snow blankets the ground, outdoor furniture, and tree branches, creating a serene and peaceful atmosphere. A small outdoor seating area with chairs, a table, and a fire pit enhances the charm of this winter retreat. The spiral staircase leading to the upper level adds a touch of elegance and functionality to the contemporary design. Overall, the scene evokes feelings of warmth, comfort, and tranquility amidst the quiet beauty of a snowy woodland evening. A stunning circular eco-house nestled in a lush green forest. The building features a unique modern design made from dark-colored materials, likely repurposed shipping containers, and is seamlessly integrated into nature. The roof is covered with vibrant greenery and small plants, blending the home beautifully with its surroundings and enhancing its eco-friendly appeal. Warm light glows from the interior through large glass doors and circular windows, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The inside appears stylish and comfortable, with wooden finishes and modern furnishings. Outside, a small wooden deck area with potted plants and chairs provides a peaceful space to relax and enjoy the forest scenery. This house perfectly combines sustainability, contemporary architecture, and harmony with nature, offering a serene and environmentally conscious retreat in the heart of the woods. A striking modern two-story house with an innovative architectural design that blends geometric precision and sleek materials. The structure features a bold circular upper floor with large floor-to-ceiling glass windows, allowing natural light to flood the interior while offering panoramic views of the surrounding greenery. The lower level opens seamlessly to the garden through wide sliding glass doors, creating a fluid connection between indoor and outdoor living spaces. The exterior is finished in matte black metal panels, giving the home a sophisticated and contemporary aesthetic. A distinctive feature is the adjoining rectangular module with a round window that emits a warm amber glow from the interior. Adding a touch of contrast and visual interest, the landscaping complements the architecture beautifully, with minimalist stone pathways, trimmed grass patches, and carefully placed lighting that enhances the tranquil ambience. Overall, the house presents a perfect harmony of modern design, natural surroundings, and warm inviting interiors, a true masterpiece of contemporary architecture. A stunning modern circular house designed with natural materials and surrounded by lush greenery. The building features large glass sliding doors that reflect the golden light of the setting sun, giving the structure a warm and inviting glow. Its exterior combines sleek metal elements with weathered wooden panels, creating a harmonious balance between industrial design and organic charm. The upper floor is adorned with a rooftop garden, where various plants and flowers cascade gracefully over the edges, blending the architecture with nature. The rooftop also features a safety railing and open terrace space, ideal for relaxation or enjoying panoramic city views visible in the background. Around the house, the terrace is decorated with large planters filled with vibrant vegetation, small trees, and blooming plants that enhance the serene atmosphere. The interior, visible through the glass, reveals a cozy and elegant living space with modern furnishings and warm lighting. Overall, this image captures the essence of sustainable urban living, a perfect blend of modern architecture, natural beauty, and comfort high above the city skyline.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.